Hello, everyone. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm Jay, and I want to welcome you out to today's lesson here on Jay's Learning School. I'm excited about today's lessons. Today, we're going to talk about money or financial terms. And so I have about under 30 words, or just over 30 words, that's going to help you speak better when it comes to money. All right, we're getting ready to learn some vocabulary words that have to do with money. As always, before we get into today's lesson, I would invite you to subscribe to the channel. That would let me know that you are enjoying the content and that you are learning. And if you are learning something, please give me a like. That would help the channel as it pertains to YouTube and suggesting the video to other people. And if it's something that I missed or something you wanted me to elaborate on, please leave a comment. All right, let's get to it. You can turn on the closed caption option and the words will come on the screen to help you learn as we review these money vocabulary words in English. All right, so let's go. Our first word today is cash. Cash. Many establishments are moving away from taking cash. Did you notice that here in this country when the coronavirus hit, some companies or businesses stopped taking cash and they would only take digital forms of payment. I found that to be very peculiar. But today's first word is cash. Funds. Funds. Do you have the funds to pay for this car? Do you have the funds to buy or purchase a home? Funds. And of course, funds can be cash, credit, digital coins, other type of money forms that you may have. Funds. Okay, our next word, deposit. 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 Take your cash, or you can take your cash and deposit it into a bank. Deposit. Deposit. Credit card. Credit card. Credit card. Use a credit card to pay for your food. Credit card. Use a credit card to pay for a rental car. All right. Coins. Coins. I save my coins and then deposit them into my account. Coins. Coins. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency, which is of course becoming very popular in our day and time now. Things such as Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and there are hundreds of other types, if not thousands, of cryptocurrency that people are using and purchasing or investing in. So it's becoming more familiar in society and acceptable as well. Cryptocurrency. Okay, one term that you need to know concerning money is loan. Loan. I will loan you $50, someone might say. If you need money, you can take out a loan from a bank. You may need a loan to start your business. Loan. All right. So, of course, a loan is where you get the money from another source, but you have an agreement to repay that money to that particular person or establishment. Loan. Credit report. Credit report. Credit report. So a credit report basically tells companies if you are trustworthy when it comes to repaying money that you have borrowed. Credit report. And most, if not all, credit reports have what is called a credit score, which would let companies know if you, again, are someone that is trustworthy or will repay what you borrow. Credit report. Debt. Debt. Notice how the B is silent. Debt. Okay. Debt is simply money owed to someone. Okay. Money owed to someone. Debt. Salary. Salary. A salary is an amount of money that you are paid, usually at an annual rate. What is your annual salary? Salary. Someone may say, my salary is $50,000 a year. My salary is $125,000 a year. Salary. Donation. Donation. A donation is where you basically give money to someone in need. You can donate money to the Red Cross. Donate money to the Salvation Army. Donate money to a charity or a church. And then they take that money and use it for a specific purpose that should be to help other people to be productive or to prosper. A donation. I'm going to give you a $10 donation. $50 donation. Our next word, wages. Wages. Wages is the amount of money that a person earns, whether it be for a day or an hour or whatever set time is agreed upon. So if I have a job or if I'm looking for a job and they don't have a salary where they pay me a certain amount every year, then I would need to know what is the hourly wage. Okay. What is the hourly wage? Again, a wage is a set amount of money that is paid at an agreed upon time. So what is my wage for the hour, for the day? Wages. Rebate. Rebate. Rebate is the amount of money that you get back. Okay. My rebate. It's when someone gives you money back, basically. Rebate. People are familiar with a tax rebate. So you pay the government taxes, but if you overpay, then they give you money back, a rebate or a refund. Financial aid. Financial aid. Financial aid. Financial aid is where someone gives you money to help you accomplish a specific goal. Okay. Many students get financial aid to help them attend college. Financial aid. All right. I may go purchase, or my son or daughter may go purchase a vehicle, but they need financial they need financial aid. So it's not just limited to school, but a parent may say, look, I'm going to loan you or give you financial aid. I'm going to give you $1,000, but you will have to pay me back. OK, financial aid. And some financial aid is free and some is in the form of a loan. Financial aid. One good example of financial aid is what the government has been doing here in this country over the past year, giving families financial aid, money every month to help their families during the coronavirus. That's financial aid. OK, a gift. 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 A financial gift. If someone just gives you money, it would be considered a gift. Someone gave me a gift of $100 and I don't have to repay them. That is a gift. All right. Checkbook. People rarely use checkbooks anymore. Most young people don't even know how or what a check is. checkbook. And it's a tool or an instrument that basically says that you are going to give them money at a later time when you write them what is called a check. So I can give you $100 check, but I better have $100 in my bank account. So when they go cash the check, the money will then come later out of my account, a checkbook. And in the checkbook, I keep record of the money that I have dispersed by writing checks. Okay, I keep a record of it in my checkbook. Earn. How much money did you earn from washing cars? How much money did you earn from babysitting? How much money will I earn if I paint your house? Earn. Okay, one way to earn money is by work. I work and I earn my money, or I work to earn my money. Work. We earn money by work, labor. Okay? Okay, now this one right here, pay bill or pay a bill. Pay a bill. I am going to pay a bill. A bill is a note of or money that you owe someone else. Okay? I get lights here at the house, so I have to pay the light bill. I have running water, so I have to pay the water bill. Okay? If you have a car, you have to pay the car bill, or we would say the car note. Pay a bill. Money that you owe someone. Bank. We keep money in a bank. We get a loan from a bank. All right. And our last financial or money term for today's lesson, statement. The bank sends me a monthly statement. And on a statement, it will show your deposits, your credits. It will show your name, your address, your possible cell phone or telephone number. But a statement will let you know or state how much money that you have or how much money you owe. A statement. All right. And most people know about statements now. They do e-statements. They'll just email your statement. Okay. Excellent. Man, I have enjoyed today's lesson, and I want to say thank you so much for watching today's lesson here at Jay's Learning School, where we talked about financial or money terms or financial terms. Again, if you learned something, please, I hope I have earned a like. Just go ahead, take a half a second and hit that like button, that thumbs up. Also, if you're not a subscriber, please take a moment to subscribe. That would let me know that you not only are learning, but you are enjoying the content and that you would like more content from my channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can be notified as I upload a new lesson throughout the week. All right. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them down in the comments section, and I will make sure that I see those. Again, thank you so much for watching today's lesson here on Jay's Learning School. I hope you join me on my next video. Have a wonderful day, and God bless you.